Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, and all we have to do is simply find the settings icon. It should appear right somewhere here at the top of the keyboard. If you cannot see it just like me, then we will have to do it manually using the settings. So let's find and open the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom actually and find languages and input and tap on virtual keyboard. Now let's tap on the, for example, Android keyboard, because this is the keyboards I've got currently set, and tap on languages. As you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top we've got the option use system languages, so your device will automatically set the languages you've got in your system. But I will do it manually. So as you can see here, we've got English applied and activated. And now let me pick another one, for example, Arabic. All you have to do is simply tap on the switcher right next to it. And now we can go back to the keyboard and let's check if it worked. Let's open it. And as you can see, we've got two differences actually. First of all, on the spacebar, we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So here we've got the English right now applied. And next to it, we've got the globe icon, which means that after tapping on it, we will be able to change the language. So now I'm typing English, and after tapping on this globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic. Tap on it again, and the same situation, the English. Of course, you can turn off those languages, this newly added, just by tapping on the virtual keyboard again, going back to the current keyboard, languages, and find the language you'd like to turn off. Just tap on this switcher here, and we can go back and check. And as you can see, the spacebar is empty and we cannot see the globe icon, so it means that we successfully removed it. So actually, that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.